paper. I just want the paper. I just want the paper. I just want the.
Hey guys, this is the Cullinan that we told you we were doing a Starlight package to. However, it turned out to be a lot more than that, as you guys can see. You guys previously remember the car? It had none of these black accents on it, so all the chrome that was on the car is fully gone, including the Spirit of Ecstasy, front grille. Look how beautiful it looks. That black and burgundy. On Rolls Royces, I'll be honest, I always say keep the chrome, but this color combo came out amazing. And to top it, you know, we had to do the wheels. My favorite set of wheels for this car are definitely the Forgiato Trimestres. These look amazing. For some reason, these fit like a glove on this car. But I gotta show you the stars. I forgot about the stars. Let's go. We're gonna go from the back. I love how the doors open on these cars, so look at the stars. OEM plus finish. Looks like it came out the dealer with it. Check out the merch coming soon.
I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the race. Swap it, practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I did the out of the snake. I did the soul out of the snake.
Alright, so here's the owner of the Rolls Royce Cullinan, my boy Mo. He owns a dealer out in Queens called Jamaica Motorsports. You guys should check him out. He loved the car. He's gonna give his reaction on it, and he's gonna share with you guys what he thinks about his new Rolls Royce being done. And before we get started, I got the homie Bob. A lot of you guys know him as Bob Car King.
Yes, indeed.
King.
Yes, indeed, man. Listen to me, man. Thank you, man. These are the guys, man. These are the young kings. You feel me? It ain't about me. It's about them. Congratulations on that new Cullinan, boy. You know what I mean? Thank you, big bro. I appreciate you.
In the building,
okay,
man.
listen, we
That's
here,
love.
man.
That's
Make sure
love.
y'all come check these guys, man. These brothers are the young kings. You feel me? They doing it big.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
We came to Autosport to put the stars in the roof. As we came, we realized this is a special car. In a car like this, there's more things you could do to it. So we did the chrome delete on the car. We also put the Forgiatos on it. Came out beautiful. I'm mind blown. It definitely stands out now and gives it that look.
Cloud.